Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can possibly remove any background on any video. In today's video guys, I have a step-by-step trick. I have two ways which I will be showing you today how you can remove a background on any video. So guys, please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the application requires and all the settings required to be able to remove any background on any video. So guys, the first method I will be showing you today, here we have to open our our browser, and then I recommend you to use Google Chrome or Firefox or any browser apart from Opera Mini. So guys, as you can see, once you open like this, the first website I will be showing you today, the name of the website is unseen.com. That's the first website I will be showing you. On screen.com, so I will drop the website link on the description, or the website name on the description for easy access. So we have to wait for the website to open, and guys, as you can see, remove video background automatically, 100% automatically and free. But guys, one thing with this particular website, you can only remove a video background that is just up to 30 seconds, just a 30 second. This is the first method. So in order to do that, here you have to click on the upload a clip. So once you click on upload a clip, it's gonna be taking you to your gallery. So guys, here I click on my gallery. So I will look for a perfect video which I will be using today to be able to remove a background. So guys, for instance, here I will choose a video in my background. You just have to choose a very good picture on the background on your gallery. So guys, for the sake of this video today, I will be choosing this video. Alright guys, I will be choosing this particular video. This is the video I will be choosing. So guys, once you click on the video, it's gonna be guys, as you can see, preparing upload. So you have to wait for it to prepare to upload. But guys, please, before we continue, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload such kind of videos on our YouTube channel, you will be the first person to be notified. So guys, as you can see, it's already removing our background. And guys, not only that, I'll also show you how you can be able to change to another background. I'll show you how you can also change to another background. So what you just have to do, you just have to wait for this line to finish. You just have to wait for this percent to just finish. So guys, as you can see, we're gonna wait for it to finish. So you can see it has been done. So we're gonna wait for it to show on this screen. So guys, as you can see, it's already done here. So you can be able to also change the background. So guys, it's yet to appear here on the screen. So guys, as you can see, this is the video. We have just changed the background. So we have just removed the background. And how do we change the background? Here you have to click on this change background. So you're gonna see many, or you're gonna see bunch of background, and then you can also upload your own background from here. You can also upload your own background from here. You can also search for background, which is so amazing. And then we have animation backgrounds. So guys, here we have many backgrounds from here. We have many backgrounds that you can be able to use. Guys, as you can see, we have many backgrounds that you can be able to use. Thousands of backgrounds that you can use on this particular website. So I will be changing the background so you can be able to see that this trick is working perfectly. So guys, I will be using this particular background today. So guys, as you can see, you just have to click on it, and once you click on it, you have to wait for just few seconds. So guys, as you can see, it already has appeared here. It has already been appeared, and then you can be able to download it directly to your gallery by clicking on download. Once you click on download, guys, as you can see, it's already composing, and then you have to wait for it to finish composing. So guys, so I will be showing the second method, but guys, I want to still request you that you subscribe and like this video if you found this video to be helpful. And if these tricks work for you, please don't forget to comment below and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, the second trick I will be showing you today, I have an amazing and unique application, and here we have to open our Play Store. I will be showing you this amazing application today. It is a popular application, but most people don't know how to use this application. So I will be showing you how you can use this particular application. So guys, as you can see, you open your Play Store or App Store if you are using Android. So the name of this application we're going to be using today is CapCut. We're going to be using CapCut today in order to remove a background on any video. We're going to be using CapCut today to remove a background on any video. And how do we do that? Here we have to install our CapCut. If you already have CapCut installed on your mobile device, then you can be able to update it, or you can go ahead and then open it. So let me open it directly, and then I'll show you step by step on how you can remove any background on CapCut. So guys, it will be coming up like this. What you're going to be doing, just have to click on new project. You click on new project like this, then it will be taking you to your gallery. So I will be selecting the first background I want to be using. So guys, for the sake of this video, I will be using this background. Let me say, for the sake of this video, I will be using this particular background. This is a plain background, so I will be using this background. So we select our background that we want to be using. So guys, here we click on art. You click on art down below. You're gonna click on art. So this is our background. So guys, now you're gonna import, or you're gonna bring the video in which you want to change the background. Now we bring the video that we want to change the background. And how do we bring the video? What you're gonna be doing in order to bring the video that you want to change the background, here you have to click on overlay down below, and guys, you have to click on art overlay. So guys, it will be coming up like this, and here you have to look for the video in which you want to change the background. So guys, let me quickly look for a video that I want to change the background. Let me quickly look for the video. Now I will use this particular video to change the background of this video automatically. So guys, here I click on this video, then I click on art down below. So guys, then you will have to wait for it to open. You can be able to adjust it. Guys. As you can see, you can be able to adjust it. So let me just leave it like this. Now let me play this to see.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.
So guys, this is our video, and I'll show you now how we can remove the background. And guys, in order to remove the background, here we have to look for an icon called CapCut, or cut out. So guys, you click on cut out. So once you click on cut out, then you will have remove background. So you click on it, and then you have to click on this good icon here down below. You click on it. So guys, as you can see, our background has been removed. And you can be able to adjust it. So I want to leave it like this, and then let's play this to see if
please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.
So guys, as you can see, we have already changed the background of this particular video, and then you can be able to do it again to see. You can be able to add another video again by clicking on art overlay, and once you click on art overlay, it's going to take you to your gallery again, so you can be able to change another video background. So for instance, I will be choosing this particular video to change the background, and then I'll click on add. So it will be coming up like this. Then I'll look for CapCut or cut out down below. You click on cut out, and then you click on remove background, and then you click on this good icon. Then you can be able to adjust. So guys, as you can see, you can be able to adjust it, guys, as you can see. So now let me play it again. Let's see.
Hi, please testing. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel.
So guys, as you can see, we have also removed the background of this video. So guys, this is the two ways I have for you today on how you can be able to remove a background on any video. Please, if you found this video to be helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks for watching guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.